Hello friends, today I am doing an experiment about sound and pitch. First, I need 5 glass cups that are same size and same shape. Then I need 1 metal spoon, some water and some food coloring that I got from my mother's kitchen. So, when I hit each of these cups, if you listen carefully, you could hear that each sound was same. Now I'm going to add some water to each cup. The tip is the water level has to be different. To see the different levels, I have already added some food coloring to each cup. Now you can see each cup has a different water level. With the same metal spoon I used before, I'm going to hit each cup. Again. If you listen carefully, you could hear that this is the high pitch and this is the low pitch. This is the high pitch because it has less water and more air. And the reason why this is called the low pitch, it has more water and less air.